Hello, today we are going to be factoring algebraic expressions, specifically factoring out the greatest common factor, or the GCF. I really want you to write this down. You should know that factoring is the opposite or the inverse of distributing or multiplying. So if we are factoring correctly and then we distribute back in, we should be back to where we started from. The first example we are going to do is factor 2x plus 4. The first example we are going to factor 2x plus 4. First, I want you to see this with the bar models. You notice we have the 2 x's and the 4 1's, and we were able to break that into two groups that each have x plus 2 in them. So that's what we're doing when we are factoring. We are figuring out how many groups we can break our original expression into, with all of the groups being equal. To figure out how to do this mathematically, the first thing we want to do is make our factor trees for each one of our terms. Here we have the 2x, and you'll notice that the 2x is broken into 2 times x. Remember, that's what 2x means. Then we have our 4, which we were able to break down into 2 times 2. So what we're looking for here is our greatest common factor, or the GCF. Remember, what we're looking for in GCF is factors that all of our terms have in common. And in this case, all of the terms have a 2, and that's it. So our GCF then is 2. We are able to factor out the 2 from each one of our terms then. We're going to get 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Remember, we used these 2's, and that ended up right here. And then what's on the inside of the parentheses is what we had left. So from the 2x, we have the x, and from the 4, we just have 1 2 left. Now if we check this, we should be back to where we started from. So our check, this is the answer we got, 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. We are simply going to distribute the 2 back into our term. We get 2 times x plus 2 times 2, which gives us 2x plus 4. Notice that's back to where we started from. So we know our answer was factored correctly. This is the answer here. I want to show the same exact problem done another way mathematically, just really formatted a slightly different way. You can use whatever you feel most comfortable with. Here I have my original problem, 2x plus 4. I broke my 2x into 2 times x, and my 4 into 2 times 2 right here. And I'm noticing that all of my terms have a 2, the same 2 we already talked about. And so I know that I can factor the 2 out from my expression. So we're going to factor the 2 outside, and left on the inside we have x plus 2. We already checked this on the last slide, so I'm not going to check again.